Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all happy, healthy and wealthy. In this short video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from your Binance account to your bank account. First thing first, if you're new to Binance or still you don't have any account with Binance, I will put my affiliate link in the description, so you will receive some bonus. I will receive some bonus using that link, and thank you very much for that. So of course you need to convert your coin that you want to withdraw to the currency that you want to withdraw. I'm in Australia, I'm going to convert it to Australian dollar. If you're in US, you need to convert to USD or any other country. I have around 68 USDT, so I'm going to convert it to Australian dollar. There are many ways. The easy way is that you can go to Binance Convert. You want to convert USDT to Australian dollar, and here you need to type the amount and preview conversion. I will receive around 106.88. So I don't want to convert it right here. You can go to spot and you can convert it. You can sell your USDT and you can get Australian dollar, or you can do P2P. So someone will buy it and transfer them into your account. Let me go to spot. Let's see if I can sell higher. What I do is I just in here you need to type AUD USDT. I want to buy Australian dollar. How much USDT I have? I have this amount, and in here I'm gonna receive 68.66. So I want to place a limit order so I can sell my USDT a little bit higher. This is the market price. I go back to Binance Convert. I'm going to convert it right there, and I will withdraw it to my bank account. Australian dollar. And how much? 68.88. Preview conversion. I'm gonna receive 108. Convert, and done. Now you can go to your dashboard or your wallet, spot wallet, fiat and spot. I have I have 108 Australian dollar. I wanna withdraw it. Click withdraw. Alright, we have two options. So the safest one is bank transfer. What I suggested that so if you don't need your money, no need to transfer it to your bank account. You can use the Binance saving or Binance. You can stake your cryptocurrency so you can earn some more money in your bank account. Even if you're saving in your saving account, you will not receive a lot of, like, the interest rate is really low. Alright, okay, bank transfer, continue. I want to withdraw all of them, 127, and continue. There's transaction fee 0.08, and confirm. This is my bank account details, and Commonwealth Bank of Australia. This is my BSB and all the account details. Confirm. So I need to get the code in order to verify that. About Binance, the good thing is it's really secure and different kinds of verification level. Alright, I just got the code, verification code, on my mobile and on my email address. So submit. And yeah, that's simple. Just right now I received notification on my mobile, one notification from my bank account, which is saying that you have been paid 108.27 US dollar to your Australian dollar to your bank account. And I received another notification from Binance, which is saying that your transaction has been successful. Yeah, thank you very much. Make sure to hit the like button if it was useful for you. Comment below if there is anything you want me to make a video about it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button. Every now and then I'm uploading videos related to Binance, related to cryptocurrencies, NFTs. I'm sure you're gonna find my contents really useful. and thank you very much. Have a good time.